The housing market in 2026 has officially hit a tipping point that most mainstream news outlets are completely ignoring while you wait on the sidelines. While everyone is distracted by headline interest rates, a massive inventory surge is quietly shifting the power back into the hands of buyers for the first time in years. In many neighborhoods, the days of no inspection offers and bidding wars are being replaced by motivated sellers who are now offering massive credits to buy down your rate. You have to understand that affordability isn't just about the sticker price. It's about the monthly payment. And the 2026 market has hidden ways to hack that number. We are seeing a record number of rental completions hitting the market, which is finally giving buyers the leverage to walk away from bad deals and wait for the right home. If you are still following 2024 or 2025 advice, you are likely overpaying for a property that will be worth significantly less in 6 months due to local price corrections. The real crash isn't in prices everywhere. It is a crash in the seller's ego. And those who know how to negotiate right now are securing life-changing equity. Don't be the buyer who looks back in 2 years and realizes they missed the best window of the decade because they were too afraid to look at the data.